think I might slightly be forgiven, or at least as the food person. Not so sure about the forgiving part. Come on, guys. Come and get some. Come on, babies. Come and get some. You know you want it. Come and get it. You know you want it. Look at Dinah. We got Powder and Dropkick and Dynabutt. Jenny's in the middle. My 3 blues, or my 2 blues. And there's my 2 Cochins, 2 of them. Come on, babies, come and get you some. Come and get you some. I'm hoping, because if you look at those girls over there, they're watching. Come and get you some. Woo, come on, babies. Come on, get some. You can get you some, Jenny? Look at that. Come and get you some. Come on, babies, come and get you some. Come and get you some. Come on. You know it. Come and get you some, babe. Rockstar. Roxy. Come and get you some. You guys are going to miss out. Come on. Come get you some. Come on, babies. I just kind of take that. I have a whole jar full right there, you can see, and I just kind of try to throw it around, because otherwise you have a whole bunch of fights. Come and get you some. Come and get you some. You can see those girls are really curious. Come and get you some. Come on, come and get you some. Come on. Look at that. Come and get you some. Ooh. Nummy, nummy, nummy. Come and get you some. Come on. Chicka, chicka, chicka. Come on, babies. Come get some. Come on, babies. Come on, guys. Come get you some. How you gonna be chubby if you don't come get some? Oh, so we're gonna have a little issue over here with no tissues. Well, you can see on the boys, those saddle feathers are definitely growing in. Come on, come get you some. Huh, I'd say those are boys right there. Come get you some. Come on. Come and get some. Alright, well, that's a long enough video. Come on, babies. Come and get you some. Looks like we're having a lot of dominance bullshit going on. Oh well. That's what happens when hormones come up. You can see them. Ooh, look at my babies. Come and get you some. Get you some of them nummies. I guess my Silkies are forgiving me. And my Cochins, because you can tell they are tummy driven. I love my chickens, although they look like little dinosaurs. Come and get you some. There's my mottled Houdan, which is kind of interesting. Those Houdans are the major difference on a Houdan. And it is a different breed, but the major difference is they have 5 toes. They have the top hat, but they have 5 toes. Poor baby. Okay, we got a fight going on here. Get you some. Come and get you some. Okay, so I'm like really a weird chicken lady and probably bonkers about my chickens, but oh well, there's a lot of worse things. Look at my babies. Come and get you some. Come and get you some. I'm really concerned that I'm going to end up with these boys, and I probably need to start selling my chicks whenever I have them, not when I know what they are. Although what's funny is I'm selling my Splash as a pair and nobody's interested. Even though I know that those are baby. Those are, one's a female, one's a male. Got these guys over here. Well, boy, the boys are really obviously boys right now.